Yes, you can hear me. All right, everybody. What up, social media world? This show is Edutainment, stands for education, entertainment, smashed into one. It's not financial advice. This is just one way of looking at investing. And I don't know your financial situation. That's our disclaimer. Boom. Like I said, why am I over here? I should be over on this side. And there you go. I'll stay right there. All right, 40 seconds. We're going to start the show. I'm going to grab a little more hot water. Enjoy the countdown. Oh, if you guys can hear me, I'm just getting some hot water here. But our kids and I had a great day yesterday at Otter Co-op. It's a community center here in Langley. It's a little drive out, or Langley Aldergrove. But community center / meets spray park or water slides. What up, social media world? My name's Alfred Gordon Liu. This is 8 at 8, and 8 minutes starts right now, just like that. Today we are looking at this wonderful company. Maybe you've heard of it. It used to be Facebook. It's changed to Meta. Their ticker symbol has also changed from FB to MET, Meta, as they're going to explore the metaverse right now. But we're all about inflationverse as we're looking at S&P 500 and this stock in the communications sector. If you are an investor, you're coming here, investor relations page. As you can see, their stock has also changed, their web page has also changed to META. But you came here for the chart, so let's just fly through this. If you're a positional trader looking to buy and hold, let's see how you've done. You are holding, oh, this is it. You are holding a bag at 385, let's just call it 385, one of the highs, and now it's down to 158. This tremendous cut down in half a year. That is quite crazy, I have to say. That is just a cut in value, and I don't even know what to say. With that said, that's a $200 drop in the stock. Hard to stomach, but as you can see, there's a little bit of hope as it's starting to form a bottom. That's a really narrow candle. This is now dark red where, the buyers are starting to come in here, but everybody is still fearful of this stock and just dumping it. So as we move on to swing trade analysis, if you're going to try to take advantage of these moves in the market, you're going to look at a daily chart. For us, for volatility, we're looking at Bollinger Bands. As you can see, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And now it's getting into a really narrow range. It's very hard to trade, very hard to scalp these days. Swing trading is getting harder just because it's in this range, right? So if we're looking at it right now, I don't even know if I can call that. Look how narrow that is, right? The top range is 172, the bottom range is 55. It goes up, it goes down. It's just bouncing around in this range, and these Bollinger Bands are getting thinner and narrower. Wow, I don't even know how to call this, to tell you the truth. It's just flat, right? It's just flat. But definitely it is in a down cycle. Is it going to catch a bottom? I'd say there's a strong floor right here at 155, as you can see, and the very top of this range is 172. So, and that is your range for you. Man, will it continue to break this? If it breaks 155, we're going to be in for some hurting. But you can see this bouncing around right now. Right now it is all to the downside. Man, down. I don't even know what else to say. I'm feeling a little down because I am down on this markets as well. I got chopped up a little bit trying to trade these ranges, but that is weakening, and the lines are down. This is down, and this strength is down. So poo-poo it as well. I still think we're going to be down a little bit more. You don't have that opportunity to just buy yet. You got to wait down to 155, praying that it holds. There's some wicks down here. I would say you probably want to buy around 154, hoping for a bounce off 154. If not, this is the bounce right here. Still think we got some downside to go. So with that said, we are going to see what's going to move this stock. This is specifically going to move it because they have an earnings call soon. We're entering this kind of earnings season for half the year, July 27th. We're expecting 2.61. Will they deliver that or not? Who knows? But in today, what's going to move? 102 earnings. Other people are calling in for earnings. 17 stock splits. 80 economic events. Out of those economic events today, I know PPI was reporting today. CPI was yesterday. I don't even see. I'm just scrolling here. Here we go. We get jobless claims, PPI. There's food. There's energy, manufacturing for us in Canada. More PPI. That was all around 9:30, which is 9:30 Pacific time, 12:30 Eastern time. So yeah, as you can see, we're going to get some movement around 9:30 in the morning after we get that report. But I don't see much else moving today in the North American stocks. So here are some of the headlines. The ones that caught my eye are here. Meta stock is a sell, so people are kind of dumping this as well. Here, down 51%. There's 3 reasons why to buy the platform right now. Headwinds aside, Meta is built to last. Company is still at the center of the metaverse revolution. Don't know about that one. And it's at rock bottom evaluations. I do have to say that in a fundamental analysis, it is below it right now. So it is technically on scale if you are on like a Warren Buffett time frame. But here it is. Has something changed? Is the moat broken? That's what, Charlie Munger and Warren would say. Is it losing the fight for mobile? Is their moat gone, meaning that their durable competitive advantage? The only way we're going to know that for sure.
Market data connection lost.
As you heard that, my timer has reset. So we got a little extra time here for you. So we're going to go reestablish.
Market data connection lost.
Moving on to intraday charts. Even though that timer is wrong, we're going to just get rid of that there. And we're going to throw a Fibonacci on intraday for you intraday traders. That means you're looking to make difference on the spread. What is the spread today? It is actually a pretty narrow spread right now. It's not moving. It had this dramatic move this morning to the downside, and now it is hovering around VWAP, which is 158. It bottomed out at 157. So that's, let's just call it $1, $1.50 to the downside. Can it get past this? Oh, man, it's looking pretty tough to get past 160 today. So I would short anything about 160 as today is pretty much down. If this doesn't hold, we're going back to the downside. We might even break 157 today. So this is the channel that you're in right now. I'm going to zoom in here for you a little bit more. The highs right here, kissing the highs of this most of the session. The highs are here. So if you shorted it here, you'd be laughing, right? That's an amazing short as that big candle just rocked down. I don't know why I didn't short it right there, but that would have been pretty good to short it. Anyways, it is to the downside right there. Man, that's a crazy move. For all you intraday traders, you need to stay safe. 160 was a definite level that it just busted through. And with that said, let's just roll the outro. Just like that, we're done. We're calling these short and quick and dirty.
Data connection lost.
We're having connection issues, so we're just going to call this out here. Hopefully you guys can hear us.
Data connection
reestablishing, connecting. We love you guys. Trade safe, invest safe. Know that we are heading for that other leg of down. So, peace out, people.